Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about Northern Lights. Have you ever heard of the word Northern Lights? If not, then I am going to explain you today. So, what is Northern Lights? The light show we see from ground is caused by electrical charge particles from the space entering the Earth's upper atmosphere at very high speed. So basically, Northern Lights are created in South Pole and North Pole. Okay, maybe you have gone in south and north part of our Earth, then you can see that light between on April and December at night time. So these lights are starting from sun. It all starts with our sun. So our sun, as you know, has a core. From that core, it creates an solar wind, also called as solar storm. You have heard of solar storm, but you don't know that what is it. So this solar storm or solar wind. So when now what is solar wind? Solar wind, the outer flow of electrons, protons and magnetic field from the sun. So it is the flow of electrons and protons. So when the solar storm comes like this, as you know, our Earth has also core. The core, which is iron. The iron core creates a magnetic field in the atmosphere around the Earth. So the green part you can see right over here are the magnetic field, and the yellow or the red over here are the solar wind. So when the solar wind comes around the Earth, sometimes the solar wind goes all around the space. It doesn't know where to go, but sometimes it also comes around faces the Earth. Okay, so when it comes near the Earth, we have a magnetic field around it. So when the solar wind comes it breaks down because of the magnetic field. I would like to tell you that South Pole and North Pole have less magnetic fields. They don't have magnetic field around us. So we can't see from India, Australia, Canada and stuff. We can't see the Northern Lights through India, Australia or countries like that. So the South Pole and the North Pole has less magnetic field. While that comes the magnetic field created around the Earth protects the Earth from the solar wind or the solar storm. So, as you know, it creates green, red, blue, purple lights. You don't know why does it create red, green, blue and purple lights. So, I am going to explain it. When the solar wind faces the oxygen, it creates green and red lights. And when the solar wind faces the nitrogen, it creates blue and purple lights. Now, our atmosphere has oxygen and nitrogen. That's why it faces oxygen and nitrogen. So, the show we see from the ground, the colors are in green, red, blue and purple. So, I think you will enjoy this video and also go to northern part, Norway, so you can see these lights. Even I am going soon. Bye.